Okay, so now my mom find out that I can do stuff. I mean, she found out about 15 years ago or 20, but she take advantage now. And she asked me to fix this shit. So, I need to make a cover for this and put some screws here, I guess, in two holes. And my genius mind, I thought about getting the, I don't know, the cover from how the fuck this is Montana? From skim milk or some shit like this.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. How I have idea. How to, this is the fridge. I guess I'll take this and fuck this sour cream or whatever it is. And let's see if this will work. I guess it's absolutely perfect if you cut it. No, beef. Beef with the cow, beef. I guess it's okay like this? Or I need to cut it? Nah, I need to be...
That one was better.
Huh?
The other one was better.
What other one?
The Jim Beam thing.
Let's see. Nah, it's pequeño.
You don't have to cut it.
I still have to cut it. And it's Jim Beam, it's brand mark. Fucking stupid shit like this.
Because this one you can put it with this side up and it doesn't look stupid.
Everybody knows this.
I guess you don't.
But how do I fix it? It's exactly on the limit.
With super glue.
It's super like this, motherfucker.
Yes.
And
this,
after 2 weeks, it's off, right?
This was not super good. No,
Yes. And after 2 weeks, it's gone.
Yes, and you put again super glue.
Yeah,
Okay, let's bring the super glue.
Let's cut it first and see what the fuck happened. Okay, so I found this. I hope it works. And now I need to cut this one. Come to my crib and see. This will be amazing with GP here when you're sitting on the toilet.
Okay, nobody needs to see this shit. Hi.
I guess like this. Cut from here. Cut from here like cat.
And you even fucking plant the tree today.
Yes, and I even fucking plant a tree today. And I go in a trip in another city. I did too much things today.
Did you feed the cats?
Yes, I feed the cats. I sleep with the cat. I did too much things today. Somebody has to give me some food. I guess the biggest cat has to give me some food now. Let's see. Okay. I guess like this. Good.
Not bad.
Not that bad. Yes, not bad.
But the stupid shit looks bad.
Yeah,
all
because
stuff
here
that you
is the stupid shit. Yes, I need to do stupid shit too now. Maybe I will fucking touch the wires.
In that case, maybe let me take at least 2 steps away. But you fucked up the tile a little bit, like, yes.
I didn't fucked up shit.
So you can literally see the scratches.
Who the fuck is? It's a big ass fucking wire. It should take this shit without any problems.
But what happened here, Bobo?
Some real shit happened here. Some bull happened here. Oops.
Stupid.
What the fuck you want?
Chill, no?
What chill? It's fucking stupid shit. Funny shit. Yes, it's perfect now. You can't say shit.
Yeah.
Bring
Bring the shit.
just a little bit here.
Fala aqui.
What this? Nobody cares because you won't see it. Pannelli in legno, i tranquillo, i fibro, cemento e materia plastica. Per zoccoli, steli, ornamentali, elementi di pavimenti, pannelli da solo.
You
guess
can't
to-
understand what the fuck it's saying anyway, so why do you even try?
People need to know what the fuck is this shit.
You don't even know what is this shit.
Come che no? Altissima adesività. Sì. I guess you put this shit and you fix and that's it. What the fuck? It should be white. Nah, I don't like this shit. You see, it should be white. I don't like this shit.
Maybe that's the maybe it's what's not used for a while. Maybe you
Yeah.
used a little bit.
Fuck this shit.
Well, used a little fucking bit.
Why?
If maybe it's white, but
It's not white. Fuck this shit. It's like any commercial. It's fucking fake advertising. It's not white.
this literally looks white.
This shit looks white to you. And you think this shit will be white?
Yes.
You fucking stupid. What the fuck is here?
Hey, don't fuck up the knife.
What the fuck is this? Fucking. It's like a cap or something. Maybe there's a cap on it?
Stupid.
What the fuck is this shit?
I told you.
I told you.
Mr.
What?
I
Don't
literally
tell
told
me.
you it's not that fucking color. I literally told you.
Man, what the fuck is wrong with this? A fucking nail. There's a fucking nail. I thought this was some sophisticated shit. There's a fucking nail here. Okay, let's see. It's a fucking nail here. Let's see if this. It's only the rust from the nail and it's actually white.
Yeah, everything is fine.
Everything is
But
fucking.
use it a
fucking-
little
No, I need to fucking mix it a little bit. The fuck is this shit? What? Let's see.
Don't put on your finger.
I won't die from this.
I told you it's white. Your boy nail.
Okay, so actually it is white. What the fuck? Put a nail here. Okay,
How do you feel now, Bobo?
I feel exactly
Stupid.
stupid.
I told you
I'm
it's
stupid
white.
or the one who put a fucking nail here. Who's the stupid one?
I told you it's white.
Yes, you told me, yes.
But the boy who put the nail is actually a genius.
Yes, it's a genius, by genius. How much time I need to stay like this? Doesn't right on that?
I won't touch the shit.
Okay, so I guess I will have to stay like this like fucking 5 minutes or 10, I don't know.
You can read.
Yes, we can read. adjust a little bit.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Bobo knows how to read.
Yes, reading. I put the nail back. No, I didn't. Fuck, let's put the nail back. Oh, fuck knows. Maybe it's a genius idea. Who knows? Fuck it. Put the nail back.
Read on the sheet how much it
Wait
takes.
a minute. Clean myself. Read on this sheet. Per interi, di carbon, acqua, indolore, altissima. Okay, how much fucking time I need to stay? Bow, fix, fix, I don't see any minutes here. Fix i pannelli, fix nu știu ce, proprietate, conservazione, agitații, consumul. Where the fuck is the minutes? No, permette che finisca le cose d'acqua.
Hey,
Che tutto è boom.
fuck this shit.
I
I'm
guess
out.
it's okay. Yes, you fixed everything with this shit. I guess you have a GB fucking electric fixed. How do you say this? Electric. How do you say this? Connection. GB fucking electric connection. We fucking made. Bob out.